How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch the most precise bottoms in the stock market. And I want to discuss my system and how it works for all the new people coming into my channel. And then I want to reiterate for ticker UCAR, of what we're looking at and where we could possibly go, where's the downside, and then where's the upside. And also, if you stay long enough, I do have a premium Discord. It is a very low cost of only $6 a month, and where we make, consistently profitable trades month after month after month, and I give you exactly my entry and exit. So if you stay long enough, I will. This will be in the YouTube comment section. But let me go over what you guys want to see. This is UCAR. So obviously, it's one of the hardest trades in the market. A lot of people are unfortunately bag holding this. As you can see, if we zoom out, it's just been going down forever. Like, this is like really brutal, brutal stock. And it doesn't surprise me. Chinese stocks do the most drastic moves down, and then they pump massive out of nowhere. Like, people get so in despair, and then this thing just will pump so big, just like bets did when it did this big down move. Like, it's just like a Chinese thing. They all do the kind of the same pattern. Big move down, big pumps, and then a big move down again after the pump. But you want to be on that pump, and you want to make sure you get out of that pump. That's the key, guys. You do not want to hold these stocks forever. All right, so but they can make a lot of good money. As you can see, also, like, this thing's been oversold forever, which I don't base it on that. But it's good to see, like, this thing has not caught attention. As of now, so we hit a new low today, 0.1053. What I'm thinking really is kind of the bottom, where it could be a little lower, but I mean 0.864 is what I'm seeing. That does not mean it's going to go there, though. As you can see, we can get a little pump here. But right down in there, I would say a lot of buyers come in. But the main thing I like about this trade is the upside reward, which is now, it's at 20 cents almost, and it could easily go way up, a little above it too. The upside is so much bigger than the current downside, is why I really like it. And yeah, it's a hard trade. It's making people frustrated, but I do like how this, in my system. I forgot to say, the green band is your buy zone, and then the middle band is where price has to go. So we are at the buy zone, and the price has to go to this blue band. No matter what, it's going to touch it. So every time we're seeing this price go over the blue band or under it, it's going to follow this blue. And we just have, the price has not correlated to that. The last time we seen it physically touch it was way back in here. Chinese stocks, do take the longest to touch the blue band, as we saw bets do that. So it's right now 125, and that was let's look. The date was 9/26 since it physically touched the blue band. So you want to see a spike that just honestly touches the blue band, and we have that range of that profit to make a lot of money at this point in time. Like, if you're getting at this entry, you can make a lot of money at this entry, and that is where me and my followers are at. We got in at a very low entry. We sold at the spike today around 12.70, 0.1270, and my members can reiterate that is what we did. They can prove that. And I got back in because I really like this trade, because I want to see at least a touch of the blue band. If it just touched the blue band, then I would not touch this trade again. Guarantee it. I just would not touch it. And that is the same setup that I've seen with bets. I want to show you bets. So bets did the same exact thing. Now, another Chinese stock has to touch the blue band, right? It hasn't touched the blue band in quite some time. Well, look what bets did. It's, a lot of pain for everyone. It's just, obviously, I think UCAR is worse off than bets. It's, it's a lot harder trade than bets. But as you can see, a lot of pain in these. A lot of people get in these first big candles, and they're just getting destroyed. But then, guess what happens? We touch the blue band. And that's what I want to see with UCAR. We touch the blue band, and then you can go back down and do whatever you want. It could go up, we don't know. And then it just goes back down and does whatever it wants and been making new lows ever since. So that is what I want to see with UCAR. Same scenario. It's just killing everyone. It's just making, not giving any, everyone's just probably selling out right now. But I know with the system that we should be able to touch this blue band. So, have a massive little spike and then call it a day on this in this stock. Now I'll never touch it again. That's how I treat these stocks. So that's why I'm like, man, this is the best setup in the market. Like the downside is very low. I'm seeing around, I would say around 9 cents, at the lowest 8.64, 0.864 is what I think. But then the upside, you can go to 20 cents at this level. And just knowing the fact that it hasn't hit the middle band in so long, and I promise you it has to hit it. So now it's just a more like, it's any day it could do it. It might be tomorrow, it might be next week. So I just hope the price kind of just stagnates in here, or honestly just does that quick move up and make us a lot of money. So that is my thinking. I showed you example of bets. Same thing, Chinese. This one's Chinese. They do the hardest moves ever, and they get everyone discouraged. But I still try to catch these precise bottoms, and I still try to make the best decision on these penny stocks, because you don't want to you don't want to bag hold them. You want to be kind of in sustained. You want to also use good accumulation rules. You don't want to just go all in on these things. It goes down 6% like it did today. You don't want to like put all your money into it, because what if it goes down just a little more tomorrow, and then the next day it shoots up? So you want to have that powder to kind of like calm your nerves down, keep your averages a little, pretty good, and just have a good accumulation rules. And that is what I'm trying to do in my channel. If you guys want to join the Discord, this is what it is. It's constantly I communicate. You have any questions, I'll definitely answer it. I'm very transparent in my trades. I have trade alerts that show you exactly the entries that I plan to get in before the price has hit it, and then an exit to get out before the price has hit it. So we all can, be on the same profit margin and make the same trades. So I give out the best trades. Obviously, I just gave you an example. UCAR is one of them. But you're going to want to know what is my entry and then what is my exit. So if you are in this trade and you want to make sure, one, you want to minimize your loss, or two, you're in it and you want to know what profit taking I want to do, because it's going to change any time. Like today, the price went up to 0.1270, like probably at a high. I decided to lock in that game because of a couple reasons of the big sell walls I've seen. I didn't like how we didn't get rid of the pre-market high. And so it was like, okay, we got in a really good entry. We got in at the low 11s. So let's take that 1 cent in a little and taking that profit. So if it does come back like it did today, and then it came back more than I thought it would, but I also left some ads. I can do 3 more ads. It's hard to explain, but I have accumulation ads that once you join the Discord, you understand it, because it talks about it in the trade alerts. So if you guys want to join the Discord, this is only $6. It'll be the best money you spend in your life. Even if you just want to join just to get out of this trade and know my thoughts, you will love it. We made a lot of consistent money. We traded SMX today, made a 5% gain on that, and then UCAR, we made 10% gain on that. So we're always, I'm trying to make the best decisions for you guys and for myself, because I got my money in. I want to make sure I win, so you guys win too. So this is UCAR. I do think, just based on what you heard me explaining, I do think we are going to get a pump. It's just a matter of time. I don't know if it's tomorrow or next week, but I know it's very soon. So I am going to be on the lookout. Something tells me it's just going to be like bets. It's going to be like 100% runner, and everyone's going to be hyped, and then all the people are going to chase that stock or hold it. I'm going to know when to get out, and then people are going to be bag holding for the next leg down. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to make sure all my followers are out, or at least I'm going to alert it so they can get out. And we're going to make a lot of gains on this, because this is, Chinese stocks, they do the biggest pumps. That's just a history of what they do. But they also had the biggest dumps. So you got to be emotional and understand how these Chinese stocks work. So this is UCAR. If you guys really do like this explanation and you do like finding reversals and finding the bottom, please join the Discord. You will not regret it. I'm telling you. You got a lot of people that can vouch for it. You could ask any of my subscribers. It's only $6 a month. I'll put the link to join the premium Discord into the comment section of YouTube. Just scroll down below. It'll be pinned. It'll say join the premium Discord for the best trades, which they are. Guarantee that. And also, if you like this video and you just like want to help other retail traders, give it a like, subscribe, and it'll help the algorithm to share it for more people that are looking for reversals just like this trade and trying to analyze it. Where is the bottom? A lot of experienced traders cannot find the bottom in this trade. This is a very hard trade. This is not for, the beginner trader, because I guarantee you a lot of beginner traders got caught up way in here, and then this big freaking move down. It's very emotional. This is not an easy trade. This is a really hard trade, but I am going to catch this trade and I'm going to make a lot of money. I already made my members 10% on this trade, and I'm willing to make way more than that. I think we'll have a runner here. What I'm hoping is a press release or a gap up while we're sleeping, and that would be the best thing. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you watched this long, I'm sure you'll join the Discord, and I would love to see you guys. Okay, happy trading, guys.